X-axis. Y-axis. Z-axis. Fourth axis.
Just to comment, he's doing this manually because to run a program he has to have the doors closed and we can't really get a good look at it. So we're doing it manually with the doors open.
And tool change? You want to do a tool change?
Yeah.
So let's see.
Awesome. And then I want you to explain all the tooling like you were just explaining to me. I want that on video.
So all the tooling comes with it. It's all high-end carbide tooling, lots of insert tooling. There's extra inserts for everyone.
What kind of material were you doing on the machine when you were?
70-75 aluminum mostly. So a lot of 70-75 aluminum, a lot of custom small medical parts, very good accuracy. Really good on rigid tapping, a lot of thread milling. So I have several size thread mills. I got a rigid tapping tool holder, quick change.
And you also have lots of collets.
Lots of collets.
These are ER32s.
ER32s, TG20s, ER16s.
Then you have the blue bucket over here, which was a mixture of ER32 and ER16.
Yep, ER32, ER16 collets.
And then you had a little...
This is almost all new. This is almost all new. And then brand new Haas pull studs.
And then you had these fixture plates. You want to explain those real quick?
Tool-X dual station 6-inch vices with fixture plate tops. It's all tap 3/8/16. And they are precision dowel pin holes as well. So a dowel pin can go on the top, or you can put a 3/8/16 bolt in it.
Awesome. And this was a little
tool tightening fixture. So for Cat 40, bolt it to the bench and you can tighten your tools.
Okay.
And then the moving brackets, factory moving brackets.
Okay.